Namaste, welcome to Revision with Riti. Today we will see the building the greatest and smallest number. In that practice 4. So building the greatest smallest number means we have to make greatest numbers and smallest numbers. If the number is repeats, then we have to repeat the greatest number and we have to repeat the smallest number too to form a number. Okay, now let's start practice 4. Build the greatest and the smallest numbers with these digits without repeating the digits. We should not repeat the digits. Okay, digits 43175. Number of digits. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 digits. Number of digits 5. Greatest number. You have to make it a greatest number. 75,431. Smallest number. Smallest what? 1 3 4 5 7. So 13,457. Next 53214. How many number of digits? 1 2 3 4 5. 5. Greatest number. Which one is a greatest here? 5. 5 4 3 2 1. So 54,321. Smallest number. 1 2 3 4 5. 12,345. Next 306,187. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total 6 digits. In the greatest 8 7 6 310. 8,76,310. Smallest, you can't start with the 0 because there is no value for 0. If you start with 0, the number of digit decreases to 5. So we want 6 digit number, right? So that's why we don't start with the 0. Okay. So smallest here after 0, 1. 1, next add 0. Okay, 1 0 3 6 7 8. 1,03,678. Next 027569. How many digits? 6. 9 7 6 5 9 7 6 5 2 0. 9,76,520. Smallest. Smallest. How to do this? 2 0 5 6 7 9. 2,05,679. Understood? Next Build the greatest and the smallest numbers with these digits by repeating the digits as required. If necessary, you can repeat these numbers. Okay. Digits 317. You have to make greatest 5-digit number, smallest 5-digit number, greatest 6-digit number, smallest 6-digit number. So we have to repeat these numbers. Okay. Now greatest 5-digit number. So which one is a bigger number, greater number? 7. You have to make 5 digits, right? Repeat 7. Okay. 7, 7. How much? 2. Add 1, 7. 7, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, comma. 77,300, 731. Next, smallest 5-digit number. Smallest is 1. 1. Repeat 1. 1, 1. 3, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11,137. Next, greatest 6-digit number. You have to add 7. Here we added 3 times. Okay, 2 times. You have to add 3 times. Okay. 7, 7, 7. Then arrange. 7, 3, 1. Okay. So 7,77,731. Understood? Next, smallest 6-digit number. Here we added 2 number. Here we have to add 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then arrange this. 1, 3, 7. 1,11,107. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? Next, 2, 8, 4. Again we have to make bigger one is 8. Again same. 8, 8. Arrange this. 8. Already 3 digits are there. So you have to add 2 more. Total 5, right? That's why we add 8 to 2 more 8s. Okay. 8, 8, 8, 4, 2. So 88,842. Next, 5 is the smallest number. Which one is smallest here? 2. 5 is already 3 digits are there. 3 plus 2. Add 2 more. 2, 2. Arrange this. 2, 4, 8. 22,248. Understood? Next, greatest 6-digit number. So what happened here? 3 only is there. So we want 6. We have to add 3 more digits. Right? Greater number is 8. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits we added. Then arrange these 3. Okay. 8, 4, 2. Okay. 8,88,842. In the same way, small digit, 6-digit number. Small 2. 2, 2, 2. Arrange this again. 2, 4, 8. 2,22,248. Understood? Next, 7064. 3. 7063. So how much? How many digits are there? 4. We want 5. So we have to add only one extra, that's it. Okay, don't add 2 3. Okay, so 7 extra, then arrange these. 7 6 3 0. How much? 77 630. Next, small 5 digits. We can't write 0, so come to 3. Okay, 3. Next, add 0, 0, 6, 7, 2 zeros. Okay, 30,067. Next, 6 digit. 6 digit, how many? Now already 4 digits are there. We have to add 2 more extra. So 7, 7. Then you added 2 more, right? Then arrange these. 7 6 3 0. So 7,77,630. Understood? And small digit also. 3 0. We have to repeat 0 because 0 is the smallest number, right? That's why add 2 more zeros. 0 0. Then arrange. 0 6 7. 3,67,000. Understood? Next, 0275. Here also 4 digits. Again we have to add 1 more for 5 digits. So 7, here also 7 is the highest. So 7 is the greatest. 7. Next, arrange. 7 5 7 5 2 0. 77,520. Again smallest digit. We can't write 0. Write 2. Next, 1 more 0 added. Again arrange this. 0 5 7. Understood? $20,057. Next 6 digits. 4 5 6. We have to add 2 more. 7 7. Arrange this. 7 5 2 0. 7,77,520. Next comes to smallest. Smallest, first write 2. Then 0. You have to repeat 0. How many times you have to repeat? 2. 1 2. Then arrange this. Okay. 0 5. Don't write 2 here because already we wrote. So 0 5 7. Understood? 2,57,000. This is about building a numbers. Understood? Tomorrow we will see rounding numbers. Okay? Thank you.